And we are going gluten-free in the Belly Kitchen this morning as we kick off Celiac Awareness Week. And this is kind of a really big deal, and Countdown are right behind it. And we're going to do some baking today that's gluten-free, but if you don't want to do that, Countdown have actually got a free from range, so you can actually just buy it yourself. But that's no fun today. That would make this cooking segment very, very quick. So Rachel, what are you going to make?
Well, we are making avocado and Kumara brownies. So here I've got roasted, it's about 2 or 3 Kumara. They're roasted and then mashed up, and then we're just going to add them into the avocado in a minute. And this provides a lovely, it's going to be quite rich and fudgy.
So I'm going to mash this.
Yep. Give that a mash, and then we'll add in the Kumara too.
That's fine. Basically, we've got the avo and the Kumara in there ready to go. What's next?
Right. They're mashed up. We're going to add in the rest of our ingredients straight into the food processor. You could use a blender if you don't have a food processor. So 2 eggs, and then a nice range of coconut products here. We've got some coconut sugar.
Yum.
Yeah. That's nice. And coconut oil. And then we've got baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt as well.
Right.
Tip it in. See, how easy is this? And half a cup of cocoa powder. Oops. And we are gonna just...
Okay, are we ready for this?
Blitz.
Is it going to make a noise?
Here we
Blitz
go.
away. Crank it up.
How's that? Not too bad. This is
too.
easy. It looks really good. And we just scoop it in, and then it's going to be 40 minutes in the oven.
Okay, scoop that. Want me to hold the paper down?
Oh,
so
you
it
know
doesn't
what? It smells delicious.
Look at it. Oh.
And then
Still
once this is cooked, I'm going to melt some chocolate drops and coconut cream. And then once it's cooked and cooled a little, we'll just ice it with that. I've got a simple chocolate icing here. That is 200 grams of dark chocolate and 3/4 of a cup of coconut cream. Just melt and stir together. Usually you'd wait for your brownie to cool. Mine's still a little warm, but oh my goodness, looks lovely. I'll bring it over to you, Mel.
Oh, yum, that sounds good. And what we're going to do, I reckon, is we'll make the dessert brownie. If it's all warm and moist and yummy, it'd be incredible. They smell delicious. Bring it over, because I'll be trying that. Oh. And they're also packed with veggies and they're gluten-free, as we are raising awareness this week of celiac disease.